Now we will start question number 3rd. As you can see that the number of zeros are increased, right? So the digits of the number will remain same, only the place of the decimal will be changed. So shift the decimal 3 places in the left direction. So the decimal will come where? Before 2. So decimal is shifted before 3 digits, 2, 8 and 6. 3 digits, right? The decimal will come 1.2865. Clear everyone? Now the next question again, 354.16 is to be divided by 1000. So now the digits will remain same because here 1 is there. Now because of the zeros, the decimal place will be changed. So count the 3 digits before decimal and place the decimal before that. So we will get the answer 0.35416. Now the same way, the third part 38.9 is to be divided by 1000. So now the decimal is before 9. We have to count 3 places in the left direction because of 3 zeros, but we have only 2 digits. So what we will do, we will mark 1 0, and now the decimal is before 0 and no digit is there before decimal again. So we will put 1 more 0. So answer will be 0.0389. Clear? Now the question number 4. We have to divide the numbers. 12 we have to divide it by 8. So now simply we can do divide, but in 12 if we do it divide it by 8, we will get the remainder 4. But we do not want the remainder because we want the answer in decimals. So what we can do, in 12 there is no decimal. So what we can write, we will put one decimal and we can put one 0. But the decimal we can put after the number only. Right it is. So we have placed the decimal and we have written 1 0. Now we have simply do division, 8 ones are 8 and then 4 is remainder. But before, now the 0 is after decimal. So we have to place the decimal somewhere. So we will take the decimal in the quotient and then we will take 1 0. Now 8 5s are 40. Clear it is. Now the answer is 1.5. Clear everyone? Now let us see the next question. 63 is divided by 15. There is one more method to make the calculations easy. So 63, 15 we can take in denominator. We have studied in fractions chapter. Now both the numbers are divisible by 3. So what we got? 21 divided by 5. Then now the number is smaller. The reading the table of 5 is easy than 15. Now we have to divide 21 by 5 with the same method as we have done in first part. So we will put one decimal, we will put 1 0. Now we can divide it, we will get the answer 4.2. Clear everyone? Now let us do the third part. See the third part. 47 divided by 20. So what we can do, 47 upon 20 we can write. Now the 20 we can split. We can write it 2 into 10. Why we have written? Because to put the decimal according to 10 is easy because the number will remain same and we can place the decimal. So first of all we will divide 47 by 2 here and we will get 23.5 and the 10 will remain same at its place, right? Then place the decimal, shift the decimal one place before. So the answer is 2.35. Clear it is every? So it becomes easy. So always remember you can split the number like this, like we have done here. 20 and 20 we can write 2 into 10. So 50 we can write 5 into 10. Like this 200 we can write 2 into 100 like this. Clear everyone? So now